Retrieve deleted Facebook photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can retrieve deleted Facebook photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To retrieve deleted Facebook photos, open up Facebook. Then just come to your profile page by tapping profile icon from the top left. If you happen to delete something from your post, such as a particular photo or the whole post itself or a comment or anything like that, you can choose to restore them by simply going to the three dots option over here. Once you go to the three dots option, you can go to the option that says activity log and tap on it. From activity log, if you look at the very top, you'll find the button that says recycle bin. So when you go to recycle bin, you'll be able to see any sort of photos or posts that you have deleted, and you will also find the option to restore them. This way you can go ahead and then retrieve deleted Facebook post. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.